Hi everyone, John Quinn here from the John Quinn Home Selling Team. I wanted to let you know about a new option to skip the hassle of selling your home this year. I can get an offer on your home from companies who want to buy it, not individuals on the traditional market. When you call, just let me know whether you prefer maximum value or maximum convenience. This means close quickly and get equity from your home in as little as 14 days. You pick the closing date. No showings or open houses, no negotiating with buyers. Skip the cost, time, and in some cases, embarrassment of getting your home ready for the market. No strangers and realtors walking through your home, and no risk of 2 mortgage payments. I'll go to my professional buyer relationships who specialize in this and secure the best offer for you. I can offer to buy your property as well. I can likely get you the offer in a few days without any hassles on your part in showing your home to the public. If you don't like the offer price, I can fight for a higher one, or we can just list it traditionally. It's free to request an offer. Home prices are still up compared to last year, so you'll still get a great sales price. If you're interested in this offer, enter your information above or give me a call at 901-591-8100. And thanks again for watching and have a great day.